Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You arrive in Lonavala and begin immediately. Secure transport and drop luggage at base so you can move. Once done, put on sturdy shoes and carry 1-2L water. Rains can start fast. Make sure to set a short route. Pick 2-3 spots like Lohegad or Bushi to avoid overpacking the day. Check local opening times and parking spots. This saves hours. Finally, buy a local SIM or offline map so navigation stays smooth as you start exploring. You now move into the heart of roaming. Tackle one fort or trail at a time. Begin treks between 7 and 10 a.m. This reduces heat and gives safer footing. Use a local taxi or rental bike for 10-30 km hops. Parking can be limited. Stop for quick local bites like vada pav and chicky, but choose busy stalls to avoid spoilage. Make sure to breathe, hydrate every 20-30 minutes, and take photos at clear viewpoints. Pacing prevents exhaustion and keeps the day enjoyable. You're finishing the day. Aim for sunset at Lions or Tiger Point, but depart 30-45 minutes before dark to avoid risky roads. Once there, confirm your return transport and accommodation details. Recheck your phone, wallet, and vehicle keys. If things go wrong, rain, a slip, or gear failure, change into dry clothes, use a basic first aid kit, and call for local help or your hotel. Finally, reflect on timing and distance, so tomorrow's plan improves from today's lessons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.